Hi students. Now I'm going to discuss about the circle topic. It is related to intermediate 2B. Okay. Here the basic problem is find the equation of the circle with the center 2 comma minus 3 and radius equal to 4. Okay. Here first we write what they have given. Given that what is the center? Center equal to, generally center is taking as minus g comma minus f or h comma k. In generally, if they have given the center and radius means we have to take h comma k, and the general equation form is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. In that the center is minus g comma minus f and the radius is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. But here suitable center is h comma k. So now we take center equal to h comma k, that is equal to 2 comma minus 3. Okay. Radius is equal to small r, it is equal to 4. What is the required equation of the circle? The equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Now you substitute what are the h and k values and what is the r value, right in the general form of the circle equation. Now substitute in the place of h, write to x minus 2 whole square plus y minus k is minus 3 whole square, r is 4 square. Now expand the suitable identities. What are the identities? One is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. And here you observe it, y minus of minus 3 is y plus 3. So that is suitable to a plus b whole square identity, that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. These two identities are applied here and expand it, then it is x square plus 2 square minus 2, a is x, b is 2, it is equal to y plus 3, minus of minus is plus. So plus y square plus 3 square plus 2 y into 3 equal to 4 square is 16. Okay. Now simplify x square, 2 square means 2 2s are 4 minus 2 2s are 4 into x, 4x plus y square, 3 square is 9, 2 3s are 6 into y. This 16 is taking to left side, positive 16 becomes minus 16 equal to 0. Now simplify it. Write x square and y square terms one after other, that is x square plus y square, then write xy term, x term not xy minus 4x, then y term plus 6y, 4 plus 9 plus 4 plus 9 plus 13 minus 16 plus 13, here it is equal to 3 and a negative sign. So minus 3 equal to 0, it is the required equation of the circle from the given center and radius. Okay. The related to one more question. Second question, observe here. The same related question, find the equation of the circle with center. The same related question, find the equation of the circle which passing through the center minus 1 comma 2 and radius 5. Okay. Immediately we take the idea that is center C is equal to, or you write given that center is equal to, let it be h comma k equal to minus 1 comma 2. And what is the radius? Radius is equal to smaller, it is equal to 5. Okay. Here what is the circle equation? The circle equation is immediately we recall the circle equation, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Now you substitute in the place of h comma k minus 1 comma 2 and r equal to 5. X minus of minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 5 square. Okay. Now simplify it. Minus of minus is plus, x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 5 square. Okay. Again recall the identities. Already I wrote in the first problem. A plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. X square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1 plus y square plus 2 square minus 2 into y into 2. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. 5 5s are 25 equal to 25. Then simplify x square, 1 square is 1, 2 into x into 1, 2x plus y square plus 2 to the 4 minus 2 to the 4 into y minus 4y. This positive 25 taking to left side, it becomes minus 25 equal to 0. Now first write one after other the general form of the circle, x square plus y square, the next term plus 2x, then y term with the sign minus 4y, plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 minus 25 plus 5 equal to minus 20. Simplify the constants, minus 20 equal to 0. This is the circle equation. Okay, it is the 2 marks question. It is important. Okay. Next, another question related to 2 marks only. Here discuss the 2 marks another related question of the center and radius. Okay. They have given the circle equation and we find out the center and radius from the circle equation. Okay. Here first we observe the given equation, is it in the general form of the circle or not? Actually what is the general form? The general form of the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here what is the meaning of general form means x square and y square having the coefficients only 1. But here x square plus y square having the coefficient is under root of 1 plus m square. For such type of equations, observe that and whatever the equation is there, you reduce to general form means whatever the coefficient is there, that coefficient divide with the whole equation. So here what is the question? A solution. The question is under root of 1 plus m square of x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy equal to 0. This equation is divided with, the whole equation is divided with under root of 1 plus m square. Now divide under root of 1 plus m square into x square plus y square whole by under root of 1 plus m square minus 2cx under root of 1 plus m square minus 2mcy over 1 under root of 1 plus m square is equal to 0. Now, this under root and under root of 1 plus m square get cancelled. So, it is x square plus y square minus 2c over or plus of minus 2c over under root 1 plus m square of x plus of minus 2mc under root of 1 plus m square into y equal to 0. Okay. It is comparing with the general form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here, what is the 2g? 2g equal to minus 2c by under root of 1 plus m square. What is 2g? 2g equal to minus 2c under root of 1 plus m square. Here, both sides 2 get cancelled. G equal to minus c over under root of 1 plus m square. Okay. Here and comparing y coefficients, 2f equal to minus 2mc under root of 1 plus m square. Here 2 cancel. What is f? F equal to minus mc under root of 1 plus m square. Okay. Here whatever the constant, that is no constant term, so c equal to 0. Here center is equal to minus g comma minus f. Here g has negative, minus g has positive. So c under root of 1 plus m square, minus of minus is plus, mc under root of 1 plus m square, it is the center. Okay. What is the radius? Radius is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Substitute here, under root of g is c over under root 1 plus m square whole square plus f is mc under root mc over under root 1 plus m square whole square. What is the c value? C is 0. Here simplify it, under root of c whole square is c square over this square and root get cancelled, that is 1 plus m square plus mc square means mc whole square means m square c square over root and square cancel 1 plus m square. Okay. Now take the LCM in under root 1 plus m square is the LCM. Adding of numerator terms c square plus c square m square or m square c square. In the numerator terms, taking common c square, that is equal to under root of c square is common, c square multiple of 1 plus m square over 1 plus m square. 1 plus m square, 1 plus m square cancel. Radius is equal to root c square, square root cancel, it is equal to c. Therefore, r equal to c is the radius, center is equal to c by under root of 1 plus m square, comma, mc by under root of 1 plus m square. Okay. This is in the unknown values c and m. So, we get this is also expressed in c and m only. Okay. Next, the another question related to this only. What is the question here? The question is x square plus y square minus, what is the question? Question is B, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 equal to 0. See, it is comparing with the general form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So, here x, what are the coefficients? 2g equal to minus 4. So, g equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are. G equal to minus 2, 2F equal to minus 8, 2 ones are 2 fours are, F equal to minus 4. What is the center here? Center is equal to minus G comma minus F, minus of minus plus, plus 2 comma plus 4. Okay. Here what is the constant? C is equal to minus 41. So what is the radius formula? Radius is equal to under root of G square plus F square minus C. Under root of G square is minus 2 whole square. F square is minus F whole square. Sorry, minus 4 whole square. Minus C is minus 41. It is equal to under root of minus 2 into minus 2 positive 4 plus minus 4 into minus 4 positive 16 minus into minus plus 41. 4 plus 16 is 20, 20 plus 41 is 61, root 61 is the radius, 2 comma 4 is the center. Okay. What is the third question? Same related to center and radius. The third question is, C. What is the C question? X square plus y square plus 2ax minus 2by plus b square equal to 0. Okay. And in this also find the center and the radius. Center and radius. Here comparing with general form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. What is x terms coefficients? Center equal to minus g comma minus f. What is the radius? Radius equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Here comparing x and y coefficients. What are those? 2g equal to 2a, 2 cancel. So g equal to a. 2f equal to minus 2b, 2 ones are 2 ones are. So f equal to minus b. What is the constant? C equal to b square. Now you write in the center and radius, it is minus a minus into minus plus b. What is the radius? It is equal to under root of a square plus minus b whole square minus c is b square. So equal to under root of a square minus b whole square means minus b into minus b plus b square minus b square. Here minus b square plus b square cancel. What is that? Under root of a square. Square root cancel. What is the radius? A. Therefore, the center is minus a comma b, radius is a. This is the way how to find out the radius and the center from the given equation. Okay. Thank you.